ready to supercharge your document workflow from creation to signature. Let's dive into seamlessly combining Google Docs with Docusign. First, ensure you have both a Google account and a Docusign account. If you don't have Docusign, you can sign up for a free trial at Docusign.com. The magic happens through Docusign's app in the Google Workspace Marketplace. To find it, open your Google Doc, then click on the puzzle icon in the top right corner, which represents extensions. From the drop-down, select Add-ons and then Get Add-ons. In the Marketplace, type Docusign into the search bar and press Enter. You'll see the official Docusign app appear. Click on the Docusign app. On the Docusign add-on page, click the blue Install button. This will prompt you to choose the Google account you want to connect it to. Select the Google account associated with your Google Docs. You'll then need to grant Docusign the necessary permissions to access your files and manage documents. Review these carefully and click Allow. Once installed, you'll see the Docusign option integrated directly into your Google Docs to send a document for signing. Open the Google Doc you wish to sign, then click the puzzle icon again, hover over Docusign, and select Sign with Docusign. This will either log you into your Docusign account if you're not already, or it will open a Docusign pane on the right side of your screen. You can now prepare your document for signing. Here, you can add recipients by entering their email addresses. You can also drag and drop signature fields, date fields, and text boxes directly onto your document, just as if you were using Docusign itself. Once you've placed all your fields and added your recipients, click Next at the bottom of the Docusign pane. This will take you to the next step in the Docusign process, where you can finalize the envelope and send it out for electronic signatures. And that's it. Your Google Doc is now ready to be sent for e-signature, streamlining your entire document management process. Enjoy a more efficient and paperless workflow.